The IQOO Pad 2 Pro is one of the best tablets available today. It's large, it's got a high-resolution screen, and it's powered by one of the most powerful SoCs available right now. And it even has support for a stylus. Now, if all this feels very familiar to you, well, maybe you saw my video about the Vivo Pad 3 Pro. Because the IQOO and the Vivo, they're almost identical. There are just a couple of changes here and there. In fact, they are so identical that if I were to take my Vivo Pad 3 Pro script and replace Vivo Pad 3 Pro with IQOO Pad 2 Pro, my entire video would still make sense. Anyways, if this is your first time here, or in case you just can't remember, my name's Ash, you're watching C4 Retech, and let's get started. So first, let's unbox the IQOO Pad 2 Pro. I'll walk you through what it shares in common with the Vivo, and then let's take a look at the differences. Now, the unboxing experience, pretty simple. Black box, open it, and you're greeted by the IQOO Pad 2 Pro. Let's take it out of its protective cover. It feels exactly like the Vivo Pad 3 Pro. If not for the IQOO branding, you couldn't tell them apart. The box contents are the same: informational booklet, Type A to Type C cable, 66-watt Vivo flash charger. Now this time, I also bought some of the optional accessories out of curiosity. So this is the bookcase. It fits via magnets on the back. Pretty self-explanatory, we've seen this in the past. Then there's the IQOO pencil layer. This one connects via this area on top. Now here's the curiosity part of it. Since the dimensions of these two tablets are identical, I wanted to see if the accessories were compatible with each other. And the Vivo Pad, it fits perfectly in the IQOO's book style case. And to my surprise, it even pairs with the IQOO pencil layer with full functionality. Neat, right? So as you saw, the dimensions are identical, so are the thickness and the weight. It's the same 3x2 panel to the front, IPS LCD, 13 inches, 3096 pixels, 286 ppi. It's the same cameras to the back, same cameras to the front, and most importantly, since these two are China exclusive, at least for now, they both run on the same Origin OS, to the point where they even get the same updates at the same time. Now, instead of giving you a find and replaced version of my Vivo Pad 3 Pro video, I'll leave a card to it here. Check it out if you want more information. Let's now focus on the differences. Now guys, the first difference is with the colors. While grey and blue are common for both these tablets, purple is exclusive to the Vivo tablet, and this silver is something you can only get with the IQOO. As far as exclusive colors go, purple or silver, which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below. Now both tablets are available in 4 RAM storage configurations, and they share 3. Vivo offers an extra starter SKU, 8128, the only SKU that uses UFS 3.1 instead of 4.0, and IQOO offers an extra top 1TB SKU. Now the biggest difference though, that's gotta be with the SoC on the inside. We got the Dimensity 9300 on the Vivo Pad 3 Pro. Here we get the 9300 Plus. The difference is with one core being clocked 175 MHz higher, and the GPU also being overclocked. So we get minor improvements with performance. Given the cooling's the same, thermals are handled very similarly too. So theoretically, there is no real difference, and practically too, the IQOO Pad 2 Pro, it gives you the same experience. Even with software, since it's also running on Origin OS, it's got the same features. So overall, we get the same stellar gaming experience that we saw on the Vivo Pad 3 Pro, with identical speakers too. Now, of course, there is one more obvious change: pricing. So if you see, given the lack of an 8128 variant, the IQOO Pad 2 Pro, it starts higher. And the pricing is very simple. For similar SKUs, it costs 100 RMB more. That's the premium they're asking you to pay for the 9300 Plus SoC. Honestly, in a market like China where both tablets exist, I don't see any reason to get the IQOO over the Vivo unless you really want that 1TB SKU. Now, knowing Vivo, if I were to hazard a guess, I'd say only one of these two tablets will launch per market. So most consumers aren't going to be faced with the choice of choosing between these two. So anyways, that's the IQOO Pad 2 Pro. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Ash out.